So here we're looking at the volume of cylinders. Okay, and the first thing to note here is the formula for the volume of a cylinder. Now you don't need to learn that off by heart, okay? Now I gave it to you, but if you look up the Maths Tables book, page 10, cylinder, V for volume, V represents the volume, volume equals pi r squared h. Okay, so that's the formula we're using, and it just depends then on what we're substituting in for pi. So in this case here, part A, the volume will be equal to pi is 3.14 multiplied by the radius is 6 centimeters squared and the height is 5 centimeters. So on your calculator, 3.14 multiplied by 6 squared multiplied by 5 is equal to, change it to a decimal, 565.2 centimeters cubed. Okay, so the volume, we're using the formula and we're substituting in the values. For part B, volume will be equal to 3.14 again, multiplied by, the radius is 4, so 4 centimeters squared, and the height is 8 centimeters. So again on your calculator, 3.14 multiplied by 4 squared multiplied by 8 is equal to 401.92 centimeters cubed. Okay. Now for part 2, we're taking pi as 22/7. So for part A, volume is equal to pi r squared h, but this time pi is 22/7. The radius is 7 centimeters and that's squared, and the height is 3 centimeters. So again on your calculator, 22/7 multiplied by 7 squared and multiplied by 3 is equal to 462 centimeters cubed. Okay. For part B, volume is equal to pi r squared h again. Pi is 22/7. The radius is 1.5 millimeters squared, multiplied by the height is 14 millimeters. So again on your calculator, 22/7 multiplied by 1.5 squared multiplied by 14 is equal to 99, and it's in millimeters cubed. Okay, and then lastly we have a cylinder. So some people were having trouble drawing out cylinders. So question 3A, draw a kind of an oval like so, not a full circle. The radius is 5, 2 straight lines, one each side, and then just round it off so it looks kind of like a cylinder, okay? And the height is 13. So here we have in terms of pi, so they're not telling us what pi is. So volume is equal to pi r squared h, which is pi times the radius is 5 centimeters squared and the height is 13 centimeters. So our answer this time is going to be 325 pi centimeters cubed. So pi here because the question says in terms of pi. So in terms of pi, we don't substitute. 3.14 or 22/7. Okay, so that's the volume of cylinders for you.